Okay. All right. So another question that I get quite a lot is, what is a starting salary? What do you make, or what should I expect to make at this time? And it's a honest question. It's an honest inquiry, because in this point in life, you need money to survive. As much as we don't like to admit it, money does make your life easier. Jobs that require you to have knowledge on data structures, algorithms, things of that sort, like intense computer science related topics, will have a higher starting salary as compared to jobs that are centered around maybe web development or front-end development. For example, if you interview for companies like Google, like around the world, or Facebook, all those big companies that you hear of. And for example, in South Africa, if you interview for a company like Takealot, they want you to know those things. They want you to understand computer science fundamentals. That's very important. So jobs like that, you most times go through 3 levels of interviewing, where first they send you on a computer, you get to kind of show what you can do with someone else watching on the other side. If you pass that stage, most times they send you kind of a piece of thing that you have to do. For example, create a calculator. You do that, you send it to them. If you pass that stage, the last one usually is in person, where they do whiteboard. They ask you questions. You have to know your linked list, your arrays. You have to know sorting, search, binary search, all that good stuff. Intense computer science fundamentals. So with such jobs, starting salary is usually higher. Then when it comes to web development, yes, they want you to have some programming knowledge. For example, know what classes are, objects are, abstraction, encapsulation, things of that sort. There are other jobs as well. There's analyst, network support. There's multiple, but I'm trying to center it around things that kind of tie into programming a bit. But all this, it depends company to company, area that you live in. So many factors come into play, but sometimes you've been applying, got so many rejections, you just want to get your foot in the door. And that's a legitimate concern, a legitimate thing. You want to be given a chance, you're willing to accept even less. You could even work for free. But of course, for just a specific amount of time, just to build your experience. And once you get your foot in the door, I'm not saying accept a much lower pay, but sometimes that is the door that's opening at that point. So you can take it, but don't take it for a very long period of time. Give yourself a timeline. For example, 6 months. Like after 6 months, I'm going to accumulate all the knowledge. I'm going to work hard. I'm going to hustle. I'm going to grind, learn as much as I can. Then either inquire within that company if you can get better pay because of the work that you've been doing. You have something to show, or you can make a leap. There's always companies interviewing all the time to another company. Now you have more experience, you have more knowledge, you have a better understanding of things and real world experience. That is so marketable and so useful. So sometimes they're different. That's why I'm saying there are different scenarios, and all that changes from person to person. All right. Okay, so that is it for this week's questions, or for the questions that I have. But I will make this more often, pick a few questions that I see people ask a lot and turn them into videos, quick explanations, and maybe someone will find them useful. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more videos. See you next week for more videos, and peace.